Hi Sprotties! In this video we will be going over how to make the most out of your Sprott academic advising appointment. In planning your meeting, you first need to review the time slots available in MySuccess and book your advising appointment. Take note as to whether it is online or in person, as both appointment options are available. Second, prepare by reviewing your audit and your academic goals. Review what courses you have completed, your remaining requirements, and make note of any questions that you may have. Third, bring notes. This could be a list of questions that you want to ask or a drafted course plan for registration that you would like to review. Having these prepared will shape your conversation. Finally, don't forget to take notes during your meeting. You will want to keep track of any new information, resources, or decisions that you may encounter during your meeting. Your Sprott undergraduate program advisors are here to support you in navigating the rules and regulations of the university and your academic degree requirements for the Bachelor of Commerce, the Bachelor of International Business, the Post-Baccalaureate Diploma in Accounting, and various Sprott School of Business minors. You do not have to navigate your degree requirements alone. Thank you for watching and hope to see you soon.